My mind was thinking about roots, and just being here in Jerusalem, I was thinking, where are my roots? Where are your roots, Eli?
What, my physical roots?
Whatever comes.
My family, I guess East London,
Okay.
East Europe.
And for me, and it's something I was thinking about it recently, it's like just at this time of life I have this acknowledgement that my deepest roots are in the Jewish trees, and somehow via this country. And so I really feel it strong just being in Jerusalem. And how is that connected to dreams? Then maybe it's all a dream. Huh? Maybe we just dream a dream. Maybe this life is a dream, and that's what the teaching, both in the East and in the Jewish tradition, is telling us that this life is but a dream. And our perceptions are limited and faulty, and it's just like a bat of an eye, and we're here and we go and we carry ourselves in this body confinement, and it sprouts and it grows and it perishes and declines. And we're really trying so hard to make sense of it. And looking at dreams, within the dream of life is one way of trying to get a view into our subconscious systems to make some sense of this dream life. So working with dreams is a good laboratory to acknowledge dream life somehow. I know I don't make sense of myself, but